gonna shoot an old truck toolbox. It's no good. And a junk Chevy tailgate. And a seized push mower engine. 22 and 20 gauge to 12 gauge with slugs, birdshot. From 20 yards. I got just for the last 3 of these regular 1 ounce rifled Winchester Super X slugs, 2 3/4. They have a 1600 foot per second velocity, and the ones that are in it now are these segmented rifled Winchester Defender slugs. See, it's segmented. It's supposed to break them in 3 sections when it hits. Compared to this one, it's just solid. They're they're 1 ounce, and they come out at 1600 feet per second. It's $14 a pack of 10 of these at Walmart. That's why I got them. All the other sporting goods stores want 25 to 43 and up for these, and the ones with the buckshot. They didn't have the one with the slug and buckshot in it. They just had these, so I got them. I got some number 7 birdshot, and some number 8, and some number 5 federal, and some 3/4 ounce 20 gauge slugs. They're just normal Super X ones, 1600 feet a second, and 3 7.5 shot and 20. Got my Hydro Dip 20, my Model 59 Winchester. This one's from 1960. I got my Henry 22, loaded with the Remington Golden Bullet 86 grain hollow point with a 1280 foot per second velocity. Right, here we go. First, the tailgate. Lawnmower motor. Toolbox. That ricocheted. And out. It went in the crankcase from the motor, and it's still in. Went in the tailgate. It tried to come out there. Now the 20 with the 7.5. Again. Oh. Motor. Tailgate. Toolbox. Nothing went through, just dented. Same here. It set the motor flying, split the wood. Same thing, it just put some dents in and I figured that. That's heavy. Give me a second, I'll put the slugs in. Alrighty, 20 with slugs. Ain't too bad for one hand shooting. Yeah, that went through. Heard it hit the metal gone. Ooh. You see that fireball? All this is done one hand filming, one hand shooting. In and out. In, come out, hit that. Out. So if somebody's got a 20 gauge with slugs, shooting at you, and all you got is a tailgate and a toolbox, you're dead. Oof. The lawnmower engine still smoke. In there. Oh, stay. Well, that was enough force to break the legs loose from the stand. Huh? It's in there. That didn't come out. Alright, now for the 12 with those segmented slugs. It ejected but didn't load. That's what it looks like after it's been fired. I don't know what hit there, maybe the wire, that's a dent. There's where it went. It came apart. You see, two coming out. Here's where it hit here. And one big hole is all three came out in the same spot. Hit here on the engine. You can see in there now. There's the crank. Didn't come out. Now for the standard non-segmenting 12 gauge slugs. Alrighty. Ow. Busted in the face. Or the back of the receiver here. When I last shot, I didn't have a good grip. The recoil is the same between the standard and the non-segmenting slugs. The majority of shooting these videos is all done in one hand because I don't have a camera person and all I have is my phone. And it's hard to find something to prop it on. Yeah, that's the wires hitting. See, there's another dent here just like that one. So that one went in. It come out there. Yeah. I hold it with my left and shoot with my right. That way y'all can see it ain't staged. Upside down Mickey Mouse here is 20, 12 segment, standard 12. Straight through. Hit high on the engine, closer to just a little bit over the spot of the last shot. Now for the number 5 steel shot. 12 gauge. Tight pattern. It all hit there and it went in. Just put some dents on the back, didn't come through. And just like with the 20, that's the 20, that's the 12, but it put actually dented it in. And it set the engine flying. Alrighty. Did absolutely nothing to it. Busting my wood all up on the piece of the blade attaches. And that was hanging here, and when the motor flipped, it went on that and busted up my wood. Oh well. Now for the number 8 AA Winchester. I'm not going to do the 7.5 because it's going to give the same result as the rest. It's not going to be much of a difference between this and that. And all the empty shells laying in the truck.